SDT delivers tailored quantum computing solutions based on each customer's needs. At the core are two key systems for quantum computing. The first core system is ultra-low temperature cooling. SDT sources key equipment such as dilution units and cryocoolers through its global supply network, supporting system configuration and integration design. It does not have to be an SDT product. We also support system integration using the customer's existing cryogenic equipment. The second core system is electronics. Customers can select from various electronics options, including cables, filters, and amplifiers. We provide digital, analog, and RF electronics tailored to each customer's environment. SDT understands the operational data behind quantum computing systems, enabling precise, integrated monitoring for stable operation. Our system supports various integration protocols, enabling flexible connection to the customer's HPC infrastructure. Beyond installation and operation, we provide a quantum computing service that connects systems, infrastructure, and platforms through an integrated operating platform. QDM, building the most robust and complete system for our customers.